Discover how the juicy raspberries you love make their way from the fields to your table. These vibrant berries undergo a meticulous process to preserve their flavor and freshness every step of the way. So, how do they do it? The journey of harvesting raspberries begins when they turn red, sweet, and juicy, typically around late June or early July. At this point, a raspberry harvester carefully drives over the plants, one row at a time. The machine uses plastic spikes that shake the bushes, gently knocking the ripe raspberries loose while leaving the unripe green berries on the plant. As the ripe berries fall, they are caught by the harvester and placed onto a conveyor belt, where workers quickly remove any leaves or unwanted debris. The raspberries then move into plastic trays called flats, which prevent them from getting squished. Once the harvester reaches the end of the row, the flats are loaded onto a truck that swiftly transports them to the processing plant. To maintain their freshness, the raspberries are cooled within a few hours of being harvested, ensuring they stay plump and flavorful. Once harvested, the raspberries are swiftly transported to the processing facility, where the initial inspection and cleaning process begins. Upon arrival, flats filled with raspberries are carefully unloaded using a crane onto a conveyor belt. The flats are then emptied by a machine that transfers the raspberries onto another conveyor belt, carrying them inside the production facility. After being emptied, the flats are thoroughly washed and prepared for reuse in future harvests. Inside the facility, the raspberries are subjected to a meticulous cleaning process. They are first washed by a spray bar that gently rinses them with cool water, effectively removing any dirt or residues collected during harvesting. This step is handled with care to avoid bruising the delicate berries. As the raspberries move along the conveyor belt, workers conduct a close inspection, removing any damaged berries, mold, or stems that may have been missed earlier. Following the manual inspection, the raspberries are subjected to a magnet test, which detects and removes any metallic contaminants that could have inadvertently found their way into the batch. This careful inspection and cleaning process ensures that only the highest quality raspberries proceed to the next stage. Within just 2 to 3 hours of processing, the cleaned raspberries are quickly frozen, locking in their fresh flavor and quality for consumers. After their initial inspection and cleaning, the raspberries are prepared for the individual quick frozen process, which preserves their quality and freshness. The berries first pass through a freezing tunnel where they are rapidly frozen. Given that raspberries are delicate and prone to crumbling, this step requires special care. Before entering the freezing tunnel, the raspberries are manually sorted by workers to ensure that only the best quality berries proceed. This careful sorting is necessary to optimize the final product. As raspberries are particularly challenging to freeze due to their fragile nature, a system of sorters, shakers, and inspectors is employed to ensure that only the highest quality berries make it through. Once the raspberries have been sorted, graded, and subjected to thorough quality control inspections, they are ready for packaging. The frozen raspberries are funneled into carton boxes lined with plastic for added protection. When the boxes are full, they travel along a conveyor belt to workers who seal the boxes and stack them onto pallets. These pallets are then prepared for shipment, ready to reach consumers around the world, maintaining the raspberries' freshness and quality throughout the process. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from fresh-picked raspberries to the delicious berries on your table. Be sure to check out our next video on how blackberries are processed. If you loved learning about raspberries, you won't want to miss the equally intriguing process behind these tasty berries.